Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm on my YouTube channel after a long time. From the last 2 weeks I was unable to post any videos for you because I was very busy with my official work. But yet, yes, I'm again back with some of the beautiful swing trading ideas for you so that it can save your time and also make you understand that how to find out a good swing trade. And what is price action, I will be explaining you that by the help of these examples which I have shortlisted for swing trading ideas for the coming weeks and months. The purpose of making this video is not providing you a swing trading tip or an advice. The purpose of making this video is solely related to your learning, so that you can learn that how do I find good swing trading ideas, what is the psychology that is kept behind before finding the swing trading ideas, and how I keep my stop losses and my targets. So don't consider this video as a trading advice or a trading tip. This is not a tip channel or an advisory channel. It's a learning channel, educative channel, so that you can learn and grow along with me, and you can also find such swing trades on your own without the need of this channel or any other channel. Share market is all about discipline and patience, and if you are able to find those stocks and hold those stocks with patience till the time your target or your stop loss does not hit, you will be profitable in the market. It's all about patience and discipline that you need to follow in this market to be profitable in this market. First of all, before starting the 20 swing trading ideas which I have for today, let us understand what is the current market scenario. For that, I'll be taking you to the Nifty 50 chart. These days, the mid cap and the small cap are being beaten as if they have done some kind of crime. Most of the people who follow me are so worried that what will happen to the mid caps and small caps, whether they have to close their positions in these losses. So let me tell you that when Nifty was in this range, Nifty was in this big yellow range, all the mid caps and the small caps were running like anything. They have touched or have given more than 50% or more than 100% return during this phase. And now the mid caps and small caps are in, you can say, in a profit booking scenario or a correction scenario. So one thing you should remember over here is that if you are invested into a fundamentally strong company, then you need not worry about this correction which is currently happening in the mid caps and the small caps, because eventually if the business is good, the company is good, the prices will recover and you will be in profit. The only thing which is required right now is patience. So you need to keep patience with you and continue holding your holdings which are in fundamentally good company. You need not cut your positions into losses till the time the fundamentals of the company are not deteriorated. So don't be afraid about the current market movements which is happening in the mid caps and the small caps. They will all be giving you profit only if you will be holding those shares with some patience. They will be only requiring your patience, only testing your patience, and if the company is good, it is fundamentally strong, it will go up because the business hasn't changed. The business has not changed. It's just a correction which is happening in the mid cap stocks and the small cap stocks, which will eventually get over and the prices will again start moving up. Also, let us analyze, before starting with the swing trading ideas, also let us analyze the current market scenario. That is what Nifty 50 has for us. This is an hourly chart. As you can see on the screen, this is an hourly chart. On the hourly chart, Nifty is in this kind of range. And if we talk about the long-term chart, Nifty has been in an uptrend. As you can see over here also, Nifty was in a big range. After that big range, we saw a big breakout. So again, we can say that there's a kind of a flat kind of pattern being formed over here, and a breakout can be seen on the upside. But for the investors who are holding their position in good stocks, in fundamentally good stocks, even if the Nifty 50 breaks down, then also there is nothing to worry, because there is a big consolidation over here which will be working as a support, and at the end of 6 months, 1 year, this chart will be seen in this direction only. So the investors need not worry, nothing bad will happen only if you are holding fundamentally good stocks at good levels. So there's nothing to worry about the current market scenario, even for the long term, even for the large caps, small caps or mid caps. Now let's quickly move on to our swing trading ideas. In this week, I have 20 swing trading ideas for you, which I'll be sharing with you one by one. So let us start. The first stock for today is Escorts. Escorts, before selecting any stock, what I see is that the long-term uptrend of any stock should be in an uptrend. Means the trend that is from 1 to 2 years should be in uptrend. So this is the first tick I apply on every stock. After that, the short-term trend and the short-term and medium-term trend should also be in an uptrend or on the start of a new uptrend. You can see that Escorts have been consolidating for a while. Over here. Then what we saw today is, let me zoom out for you. As you can see, there was a short-term trend line like this, which was forming lower highs and lower lows. We know when a stock is in downtrend, it forms lower highs and lower lows. But today, it has created a high and created a low over here, which was higher than the previous low. And if we look at this big candle which is formed today, and also the volume, so it seems that some big people, some big institutions have bought this share with such big volume. So there is every possibility that this stock will turn from here and start creating a higher high and higher low pattern. So entry can be taken at CMP, keeping the stop loss at, let me show you that. So whenever you keep a stop loss, you need to keep a stop loss below the previous swing low. As you can see in this area, this yellow area which I've already highlighted has been working as a good support. Means stock has not been able to close below this area. So keeping a stop loss somewhere over here and trailing your stop loss on every swing low will be the best thing you can do for carrying your profits into trade. So this big candle with this big volume, which we cannot see, this big volume was seen over here in September 20. Now the same volume is seen over here in August 21 after almost 1 year. So there are some big people, but some big institutions who are buying this stock. So this is stock number 1 for today, that is Escort, which is on a verge of a possible reversal of this short-term downtrend. So targets will be its all-time high. The major resistance over here somewhere around 1450 will be the targets, and stop loss already highlighted. The next stock for today is HDFC Bank. The reason for selecting this stock will be same and will be monotonous. Every stock is selected on the same parameters, exactly same parameters, that the long-term trend should be in an uptrend. As we can see, the long-term trend is an uptrend. The second, the short-term trend or the medium trend should be giving a breakout or in an uptrend. As we can see, the stock was in a short-term downtrend, forming lower highs and lower lows. Recently, we see that this was the major resistance over here, which it gave a breakout with some increasing good volume. After giving a breakout, it came back for a retest, as we can see by these 3 candles. And after a retest, it has given a continuation candle over here. And with the continuation candle, we can see the increase in volume again. So this can be the possible entry, keeping the stop loss below the major support, which we can see over here, like somewhere over here will be the stop loss. So it will be a safer stop loss, because many times stock has tried to break below this support but has failed. So there is every possibility that the stock will not hit your stop loss and continue moving up. You can trail your stop loss below every swing low like this whenever the stock starts moving up. So this is HDFC for you. Let us move to the next stock. The next stock is Mahindra & Mahindra. Just like HDFC, there is not a breakout right now, but what I want to explain you here is that this stock was also in a short-term downtrend. Like it is forming lower highs and lower lows. If we see the long-term trend, it is in a long-term uptrend, and in the short term, it is in a short-term downtrend. So the question is whether we should buy this stock at this point of time or we wait for a decisive breakout. This depends upon what kind of trader you are. If you are a risk taker, you will be buying the stock as soon as it touches this support. As you can see the importance of this support, it was working as a resistance over here, then as a support, 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 here also a support, and here also a support. So this yellow area is an important area. This time when it touched this area, it gave a big breakdown and started moving up with some good volume. What I suggest is to be a risk averse trader and not a risk taker, because your money is important. So for buying this stock, you should buy after the major next resistance. This is the major resistance because over here it has been working as a great resistance. So once the stock crosses above this level, that is the level around 840, then only this stock should be bought, because in an uptrend the stock always creates a higher high and higher low. But right now the stock has been creating lower highs and lower low. So till the time it don't start creating this kind of pattern, till the time entry should not be seen in such kind of stocks. Merely the stock coming near the resistance or near the support is not the buying opportunity. It may lead to another correction, like we see over here. It touched the support but didn't move down. It again touched the support but didn't move down. Till the time it does not start is forming a higher high and higher low pattern like this, the entry should not be taken. You need to keep your capital safe with you so that you can take the best trading opportunity. So this is just a learning pick for you, not exactly a trading advice. Even if you want to take the trade should not be taken before this level, that is somewhere around 820 or 830. You should take the trade. Before that you should not take this trade. Now the next stock for today is HCLTech. The reason for selecting this stock will again be the same, that the stock, let me show you this on your weekly time frame. As you can see on the weekly time frame, the stock has been in an overall uptrend. Then on the weekly time frame, this red area which I have already highlighted is working as a resistance. But during the previous two touches, as soon as it touched this area, it fell. Then again it touched this area and fell. But this time we have spent a week near this resistance by this candle, and now this week is also not falling. That is, the fall which we see on the previous two instances, we are not seeing it. So there is every possibility that we will be breaking out of its all-time high and closing above this. So close above this red area will be the entry for us. Let us move to the daily time frame to understand this better. Let me show you one thing very interesting. As you can see over here, on the first touch, whenever it touched this area, it immediately fell. It again touched this area and then also it immediately fell. Over here also it immediately fell, but over here it's spending some time near its resistance. It is said in technical analysis that whenever a stock spends time near its resistance, it most probably breaks it. So there are every chances that it breaks above this level. Stop loss shall be below the previous swing low and entry can be taken only on closing above this level. One more thing which I have just seen while discussing with you. As you can see, the stock is also forming a cup and handle kind of formation over here, and a breakout can be seen. But I don't go for these kind of patterns. What I see is, which I have already explained, that this time it fall immediately, second time also it fall immediately, but this time it is spending some time. Forget about the cup and handle pattern. Just see the only price action you can see over here. This trend line, this spending time over here are enough indications to indicate that the stock might give a breakout, and the increasing volume over here is also an indication. So this can be a probable swing trading idea for you, which you can take in the coming days. So this is HCLTech for you. Let us move to the next stock, that is Bata India. Bata India also is a kind of a similar pattern as in case of HCLTech. As you can see over here, this stock, after spending some time, like I told in the previous stock, that if a stock spends some time over here, it is not a surety that it will break out. So we always wait for a breakout. It spent some time but eventually fall. It again spent some time but eventually fall. But this time the fall we see over here, and the fall we see over here is much lesser than the previous fall. Means the selling pressure which is over here is lesser than the selling pressure which was available over here. Now the stock is spending some time over here, forming a cup and a handle kind of pattern with some increase in volume, some big volume. There is every possibility that the stock closes above this red area, the resistance. Stop loss shall be below the previous swing low, because if the stock closes below this low, the trend shall change and the stock shall moving downwards. So stop loss shall be here, and you can trail the stop loss as per the higher swing lows. Like here you can keep the stop loss like this. So this is Bata India for you. Let us move to the next stock, that is Godrej CP. As I've already explained that when a stock is in an uptrend, it creates a higher high and higher low pattern. You can see over here that clearly this stock has been creating a higher high and higher low. Now after creating this high, the stock has created a new high and created a new higher low, which is higher than the previous low. These rejections over here, let me clear it for you. Let me clear the drawing for you first. These rejections over here, wick rejections over here, signifies that the stock is not willing to go further below and has created a new higher low. These rejections signifies that a higher low has been created and the stock might move up from this direction. So an entry can be taken at this level, keeping a stop loss below the previous swing low, because if the stock closes below this area, the trend is set to be changed and a short-term downtrend will start. So for trading, entry can be taken at CMP, stop loss below this area for a safer stop loss, and trailing your stop loss as soon as the stock, till the time the stock continues its higher high and higher low trend. Whenever the stock starts creating this kind of trend, it is time to move out of the stock and book your profits or losses as the case may be. So this is Godrej CP for you. Let us move to the next stock, that is Laurus Labs. As already explained that the stock should be in an overall uptrend. In an uptrend, the stock forms higher highs and higher lows. Means till the time the previous low is not broken, we will say that the stock is in an uptrend only. Like in the same case, this was the previous low created after an uptrend. Again, a low at the similar level was created and we see a breakout over here and breakout with some good volume. This is better volume than the much greater volume than the average volume. So a bigger volume can be seen with a bigger breakout. So an entry can be taken over here partially if you are trading, and if it retraces like somewhere around 50% of this movement, so partial entry can also be taken over here, keeping the stop loss below this area, because this is a good support and the previous swing low as well. So entry can be taken over here following simple price action of higher highs and higher lows. No indicator is being used. Simply the stock didn't broke above the previous broke down of the previous low, so an entry can be taken over here. This is Laurus Labs for you. Let us move to the next stock, that is Siemens. Again, the stock is creating higher highs and higher low. As you can see, the stock is creating structural higher highs and higher low. Over here, the previous low was not broken and it again continued a new move. In this area, it was in a short-term downtrend. Means it was creating lower highs and lower lows, but over here it has created a new high that is higher than the previous high. So this is the indication that the trend will again change and the stock will make a higher high and higher low position. So if we see a green candle over here, then this shall be the higher low. Entry can be taken over here, keeping the stop loss below the previous swing low. You can trail the stop loss as till the time the stock keeps on forming higher high and higher low formation. So this is Siemens for you. Let us move to the next stock, that is Tube Investments. Tube Investments have been in an overall uptrend, creating structural higher highs and higher lows. After that, it has been consolidating for a while but has not been able to break below this previous low. This yellow area has been working as a good support, as we can see over here. It has worked as support multiple times. Now again, the stock has started moving up from the same area which has been working as a support, which signifies that this yellow area is a strong support and entry can be taken over here or over here also at this CMP, keeping the stop loss below this area because this area is a very strong support. This is reason number one for taking this trade. The second reason is, if we see the trend line over here, it has been following, it has been observing and this trend line which we can see over here. So again it has touched this trend line which has been observed as a trend line in the previous two instances as well. So an entry can be taken over here and the stop loss can be trailed as soon as the stock starts forming higher high and higher low formations. So stop loss will be here, entry at the CMP, keeping a risk to reward ratio of 1:2. I personally keep a risk to reward ratio of 1:2 in every case. Wherever I don't find a risk to reward ratio of 1:2, I don't take the trade, but at least I keep a risk to reward ratio of 1:2 to be overall profitable. So now let us move to the next stock. The next stock is Hero MotoCorp. It is a fundamentally very good company, but in the short term we see a short term downtrend. So whenever the long term trend is up but the short term trend is down, we need to wait for the short term trend to be also in coherence with the long term trend. Means the short term trend should also be in uptrend like the long term trend. So let us see the chart in detail. As we can see, the price has been forming lower highs and lower low pattern. Over here it has been consolidating for a while. So whenever the stock is consolidating, no entry is to be taken. Whether it's on an important base or an important support, you should not take an entry, because there are every chances that the stock might move above a bit and break down. So we don't have to take these kind of risks. We need to find a stock which is creating higher highs and higher low, or has started creating higher high and higher low. So it is suggested over here that the stock need to break above this major resistance, because it has worked as a support and as a resistance in the recent past. So whenever the stock breaks above this area and a possible retest is seen over here with a green candle, then only an entry can be taken. It is a fundamentally very good company, but we need to keep our capital safe, and we should not buy in this consolidation phase. We need to wait for a decisive breakout and then take an entry for good profits. So this is Hero MotoCorp for you. Let us move to the next stock, that is SKF India. The reason for selecting this stock is same, that the stock is in a long-term uptrend. After the long-term uptrend, the stock is kind of forming a flat kind of pattern, as you can see over here. The reason for selecting this stock is that whenever it gives a breakout over here like this, then only an entry can be taken and a smaller stop loss over here can be kept, or a stop loss over here can be kept for a safer stop loss. Now why I selected this stock is because the volume which is coming along with this upward movement is very good, and in the last candle which happened today, the volume has gradually picked up, and which is more than the 10 days average volume. So there are every chances that we might see a breakout in a day or two, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow we might see a breakout. So we can take an entry as per our risk appetite, keeping a stop loss and a target of 1:2 and trail our targets till the time the stock keeps on forming higher highs and higher lows. We should not get out of the position, because we should not sell our winning horses and get rid of our donkeys which are not running. So let us move to the next stock. This was SKF India for you. Let us move to Naukri. The reason for selecting this stock is that the stock is near its all-time high. In the previous two instances, whenever it touched this all-time high, it had a great fall. Like Humpty Dumpty had a great fall, this stock also had a great fall. But this time, when it has created a kind of a cup and handle pattern, it didn't have a great fall over here. It touched the same area which is touched in the previous history, but the fall was not great. The support, the resistance which was over here somewhere, has been working as a support now, and the stock has again started moving up. And the volume is also gradually picking. If you see this big volume by this big candle, we cannot see this kind of volume in this entire period. So the volume is also picking up. Some good institutional investments may be buying the stock in such great volume. So there are every chances that we might see a breakout over here like this. Then we can take an entry, keeping a stop loss below this area. I also want to add that this is a fundamentally very good company. So if you even take the entry over here, you can keep it for long term and in your portfolio for a longer term and enjoy some good profits. So this is Naukri for you. Let us move to the next stock, that is Birlasoft. The reason for selecting this stock is same, that the stock is in an overall uptrend. As you can see, in an overall uptrend from so many years, this stock has been creating higher highs and higher lows. So when a stock is in an overall uptrend, when the long-term trend is uptrend, so it only requires patience to earn profit. What most of the traders does, they buy this stock somewhere over here and loses their patience in this small retracement, but they don't see this long-term trend. If they would have kept the patience after buying this stock over here, they would have earned some good profits, maybe around 50%, 100%. But most of the people in the stock market don't follow patience and get out of the trades, booking losses, and after that regret when they see the stock getting into a rocket mode. So let us discuss the chart over here. As you can see, after a good run up over here, it is forming a kind of a flag pattern. After forming a kind of flag pattern, between this consolidation, we can see some big volume spurts which is greater than the 10-day average. So when the stock is consolidating, who are the people who are buying this stock? These are some big institutional investors who are buying this stock. And in the today candle also, there is a big volume coming up which is more than the 10 days average. So people can buy the stock at this CMP only, keeping the stop loss below this consolidation, or safe traders can buy the stock after the breakout and trail the stock till the time the stock keeps on following higher highs and higher lows. Because whenever the stock moves up, it retraces for further moving down. So we should not be afraid of these kind of retracement which keeps on happening in the market, which at this point of time is also happening in the mid cap and the small cap. So these retracements are healthy retracements and we should not be afraid of these kind of retracements. So this is Birlasoft for you. Let us move to the next stock, that is Max Health. The reason for selecting this stock is similar, same, and this remains the reason for every stock, that the stock is in an overall uptrend. Like this, it has been creating higher highs and higher lows. So when a stock has been creating a higher high and higher low from such a long time, how can we imagine that the stock market will give us losses? We need to select a stock which is in an overall uptrend for having profits, and only patience is needed after that. Now analyzing the chart further, as you can see, the stock is forming higher highs and higher lows. This was the previous high being formed and this was the previous low being formed. Then a new high was created over here and a new low was created on the previous high area only. And the stock has again started moving up, like creating a somewhat like this kind of trend. And the volume has also picked up over here. So there is every possibility that the stock will create a new high over here, then retrace, then again started moving up. So we need not worry and have to enter at this CMP, keeping the stop loss over here or at the previous swing low for a safer stop loss, and trail our profits till the time the stock is moving in a higher high and higher low position. You should not sell a stock till the time it does not changes the trend. Trend will change when the stock will not be able to form a new high and will create a new lower low. Trend will change after the stock will not form a new high and will create a new lower high and a lower low. So till the time stock is forming this kind of pattern, you need not worry and keep on trailing your profits for a maximum profits from any stock. The next stock for today is Infosys. The reason remaining the same, that the stock is in an overall uptrend. From years and years, this stock has been in an overall uptrend. This stock follows a particular kind of pattern that every time it consolidates and start moving up, then again consolidates, then start moving up. Similarly, over here also it has consolidated and again started moving up. Now let us break down this chart further. Over here also we can see, like over here, wait a second. Like over here we can also see that there was a small consolidation and we can see a breakout over here. The breakout is also with some increase in volume, so entry can be taken over here, and this is a fundamentally strong stock, so we need not worry or need not keep a stop loss also in this case. Whenever we see a dip in these kind of fundamentally strong stocks, they are an opportunity for further buying this stock, and this stock can be kept in your portfolio forever or till the time the fundamentals of this big giant do not deteriorate. So this is entry can be taken at CMP, stop loss can be taken seen over here for the traders, and we can trail our profits till the time higher highs and higher low patterns are continuously forming. Now let us move to the next stock, that is Cummins India. The reason for selecting this stock is very simple, that the long-term uptrend was there, then a big consolidation can be seen, and in this big consolidation also we can see some big volume spurts. Who are these people who are buying this stock? They are some intelligent people who know that this is a fundamentally good company and will go up. Till the time they don't complete their buying in this consolidation, they don't allow the stock to go up. But now we can see that the stock has finally broken out of this big consolidation. So entry can be taken at CMP, keeping the stop loss below this consolidation, because this is a safer stop loss for keeping, and there are chances that the stop loss won't hit, and you can trail the profit till the time it keeps on forming higher highs and higher low pattern. The next stock for today is Gland Pharma. The reason for selecting the same is again the same, that the stock is in an overall uptrend. After an overall uptrend, it consolidated for a while and it gave a breakout today. With the breakout, we can see some good volume coming, and earlier also a big volume spurt can be seen. So there are some big people who are buying this pharma company, and there is every possibility that the stock will start again the journey of creating higher highs and higher lows like this. So an entry can be taken over here, keeping the stop loss below this consolidation for a safer stop loss. Now let us move to the next stock, that is Abbott India. The reason for selecting same, that it is in an overall uptrend. After this big move over here, it has given a consolidation. Let me add one thing very important over here. Whenever we see a big move like this, a parabolic move like this, as we can see over here, it is bound to retrace, because this kind of move do not create any kind of supports. It moves in a 90-degree angle and comes down in a 90-degree angle only. So the same happened over here. It gave a parabolic move and now retraced. It has taken a support at the previous small consolidation and has again started moving up. The good thing is that the volume is also picking up with the upward movement of this stock. So an entry can be taken over here, stop loss can be kept over here, because this area behaved as a support over here and also over here. So keeping a stop loss over here will be a healthy stop loss, and entry can be taken at CMP. So this is Abbott India for you. Let us move to the next stock, that is Navin Fluorine. Navin Fluorine is also a very good fundamentally strong company and in an overall uptrend. After creating an overall uptrend, it has been creating higher highs and higher lows. After creating this high, it has created a low which is higher than the previous low. After creating this low and some big rejections over here, a big green candle can be seen which gave a breakout of this consolidation. With this breakout, we see a huge volume coming up which is higher than the previous so many days volume. So some big institutional investors or some good player have entered into this stock. So we should also get onto this stock along with those big players so that we can enjoy the profit along with those intelligent investors or the traders. So an entry can be taken at CMP, keeping the stop loss below the swing low, because this is also a trend line and also the previous swing low which was holding a good support over here. So the chances of hitting the stop loss over here are very low, and if it hits this stop loss, then we need to get out of this stock because it might start a lower high and lower low pattern. So this is Navin Fluorine for you. Now let us move to the next and the last stock for today, that is Kotak Bank. I've already explained 19 stocks with you. Now I'm explaining the 20th stock. But before that, if you haven't liked this video, like the video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe the channel and share this video at least with 5 of your friends, so that I get motivated and share these kind of swing trading ideas and so much of knowledge with you, because this all what I'm doing is for the retail investors or the traders who don't know how to take profits from the market and end up giving losses and the hard-earned money to the market. So this is for you, something I'm doing, because there is no purpose of making a video for you if you're not liking the video, not subscribing, and also not learning from this video. So share with your friends so that they can also learn. Now let us move to the next stock, and the last stock for today is Kotak Bank. I want to ask you a question. Answer yourself that whatever I explained till now, whether entry is to be taken in this stock at CMP. As per me, if you are an investor, you can take the entry at CMP because volume is picking up and this yellow area has been working as a good support, and now the trend line has also been broken. But if you are a trader, you need to wait for a decisive breakout of the major resistance, which shall be the breakout of the previous high also, and the stock will create a new high. Then it can be said that the stock will continue its higher high and higher low formation. If you're an investor, you can take the entry as it is over here, partial inventory over here, or maybe if it retraces over here, then also you can take the partial entry. But if you're a trader, you need to take an entry only on the breakout if it happens with a volume on daily close basis and keeping the target to the next resistance. So these are the 20 stocks for you. One thing very important I want to add is, whatever stop loss I've shared with you, always keep it in your mind that the stop loss are always on daily closing basis. What I mean by daily closing basis, you might have seen that like this is the stop loss area we have fixed. You might have seen that sometimes a candle goes below this support, but again gives a U-turn and closes above this support only. So till the time the candle does not closes below the support or below the stop loss, you should not exit the stock. You should see the candle on a daily close basis and not on an hourly, 15 minutes, 2 hourly or 3 hourly basis. A candle close on a daily close basis should only be considered for a swing trading. So these are 20 swing trading ideas with huge amount of knowledge which I wanted to share with you. I hope you are liking these videos. I'll be coming up with so many swing trading ideas in the next week. Till the time, you are requested to like this video and share with your friends. I'll see you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.